Good day. I'm Malina Sangga. My assignment is Article 13 from Section 17 to 18. Section 17. There is hereby created an independent office called Commission on Human Rights. Number 2. The commission shall be composed of chairman and from members of the bar. The term of office and other qualification and disabilities of the members of the commission shall be provided by the law. Number 3, until this commission is constituted, the existing Presidential Committee on Human Rights shall continue to exercise its present functions and powers. Number 4, the approved annual appropriation of the commission shall be automatically and regularly released. Number 4, the approved annual appropriation of the commission shall be automatically and regularly released. Section 18, the Commission on Human Rights shall have the following powers and functions: investigate on its own or on complaint by any party all forms of human rights violation involving civil and political rights. Number 2, adopt its operational guidelines and rules of procedure and cite for contempt for violation thereof in accordance with the rules of court. Number 3, provide appropriate legal measures for the protection of human rights of all persons within the Philippines as well as Filipino residing abroad, and provide for preventive measures and legal and services to the underprivileged whose human rights have been violated or need protection. Number 4, exercise visitatorial powers over jails, prisons, or detention facilities. Number 5, establish the continuing program of research, education, and information to enhance respect for the primacy of human rights. Number 6, recommended to the Congress effective measures to promote human rights and to provide for compensation to victims and violations of human rights or their families. Monitor the Philippine government's compliance with international treaty obligation on human rights, treaty ratification. Number 8, grant immunity from prosecution to any person whose testimony or unless possession of documents on other evidence is necessary or convenient to determine the truth in any investigation conducted by it or under its authority. Number 9, request the assistance of any department, bureau, office, or agency in the performance of its functions. Number 10, appoints its officers and employees in accordance with law. And number 11, perform such other duties and functions as may be provided by law. Before we discuss our topic, let's define social justice and human rights. Social justice, historically and theory, the idea that people should have equal access to wealth, health, well-being, justice, privilege, and opportunity regardless of their legal, political, economics, or other circumstance. And human rights, the first thing comes in our mind is karapatan. Karapatan nating mga tao ang malaman at alamin kung ano ang mga karapatang pantao. All people have right to choose our own religion, right to be free in discrimination, and right to we have the right to live in freedom and safety. We have a right to free from slavery. Social justice, in a way, yun ang nagbibigay ng actualizing power para ipapakita na may karapatan din ang mga tao. Treating everyone fairness, patas na trato, patas na pakikilala, patas na laban para sa lahat ng mga mamamayan. Just is helping one's friend in harming one's enemies. Halimbawa, ginawan ka ng maganda, ginawan ka ng mabuti, gagawin mo rin sila ng mabuti. Yun ay kung ginawan ka rin ng masama, syempre para patas yung laban, para hindi ka makakimkim ng galit sa iba. Syempre ilabas mo rin yung sa loobin mo na para patas din yun ang laban. Ito lang yung pagkaintindi ko ng Article 13, Section 17 to 18. Thank you and more power to Santa Cruz Mission.